Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the image quality in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where our projects are. Here we have to select one that we want to work on, and then in the top right corner we find this little rectangle. We tap on this, and then at the bottommost slider we can set the code rate to high for a better image quality, or low to save space on our device, and yeah, but we can just leave it at the recommended setting, and then it's going to be good image quality and low space. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.